ASTER Basics. Hey Asters! Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Before you pack your bags, let's learn about the 50 most essential travel items you need for every trip. Whether you're going to the beach, the mountains, or even a jungle, these items will help you stay safe, comfy, and ready for fun. Let's go! Passport. Passport. Tickets, plane, train, or bus. Tickets, plane, train, or bus. Travel itinerary. Travel itinerary. Boarding passes. Boarding passes. ID card or driver's license. ID card or driver's license. Emergency contact information. Emergency contact information. Suitcase or backpack. Suitcase or backpack. Packing cubes. Packing cubes. Waterproof dry bag. Waterproof dry bag. Luggage tags. Luggage tags. TSA-Approved Locks. TSA-Approved Locks. T-shirts. T-shirts. Pants or shorts. Pants or shorts. Sweater or jacket. Sweater or jacket. Rain jacket or poncho. Rain jacket or poncho. Socks. Socks. Comfortable shoes, sneakers or sandals. Comfortable shoes, sneakers or sandals. Hat or cap. Hat or cap. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Shampoo and conditioner, travel size. Shampoo and conditioner, travel size. Soap or body wash. Soap or body wash. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Lip balm with SPF. Lip balm with SPF. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Tissues. Tissues. Smartphone or tablet. Smartphone or tablet. Power bank. Power bank. Charging cables. Charging cables. Headphones or earbuds. Headphones or earbuds. Water bottle. Water bottle. Snacks like energy bars or trail mix. Snacks like energy bars or trail mix. Reusable utensils. Reusable utensils. First aid kit. First aid kit. Adhesive bandages. Adhesive bandages. Pain relievers. Pain relievers. Antiseptic wipes. Antiseptic wipes. Insect repellent. Insect repellent. Rehydration salts. Rehydration salts. Flashlight or headlamp. Flashlight or headlamp. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. Multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. Firestarter, matches, lighter. Firestarter, matches, lighter. Travel pillow. Travel pillow. Eye mask. Eye mask. Earplugs. Earplugs. Notebook and pen. Notebook and pen. Playing cards. Playing cards. Books or e-reader. Books or e-reader. Map, paper or digital. Map, paper or digital. Compass. Compass. Now you're a travel expert. Next time you go on a trip, remember these 50 essential travel items so you're always prepared. Which travel item do you always take with you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ASTER Basics, and hit the bell icon for more fun learning videos. See you on the next adventure.